What up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in 5th grade math, we are talking about comparing fractions. Which one's bigger, which one's smaller, less than, greater than symbols, all of the above. We're going to talk about it all. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please make sure you leave a comment if you love the video. Also, go to the description because I have notes there. Click on that link. And if you have a printer, you can download them and follow along because why not? It's faster. I'm going to do a bunch of problems. I'm going to ask you to pause the video, do a bunch of problems. Let's get right into it. Comparing fractions helps us decide which amount is larger or smaller. Okay. Remember, less than means is smaller than. And we usually view this as a little alligator eating the larger number. I'm not going to do that anymore. That's cute, but I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm just going to know that this little thing that looks like an arrow pointing to the left is going to mean is less than. That little symbol that looks like an alligator eating the left but is pointing to the right means is greater than, and you know is equal to. Okay, so like a really simple problem like 4 is less than 5. 5 is greater than 3. 21 is equal to 21. Everybody loves it when I do that. Actually, almost nobody loves it when I do that, but I love it when we do that. Now, there's 3 things that we're going to look at. Okay, fractions with the same denominator, the number on the bottom of the fraction bar. When you're given 2 fractions where the denominator is the same, you're going to compare the numerators. Okay, so if you have a larger number in the numerator, that means that one's bigger. So since 2 is greater than 1, 2 over 3 is greater than 1 over 3. So if the denominators are the same rules apply. You just do is greater than or less than based off of the numbers in the numerator. Now, if the numerators are the same, it's opposite. If the numerators are the same, the smaller the denominator, the larger that number is. Okay? And if you think of it this way, if that's a pizza, eating 1/2 of a pizza is going to be a whole lot more than if I were to split you up into 5 parts and eat 1/5 of it. So 1/2 is bigger than 1/5. So I'm going to say 1/2 is greater than 1/5. So it's opposite of what seems like it should be right. But again, when the numerators are the same, that means you look at the denominators, and the smaller denominator means it's bigger. Now, the third option is what if neither of them are the same? Then what you do is you draw a picture and compare sizes. So I'm going to draw a nice big circle up here, a nice big circle up here. I'm going to pretend you're a pizza split up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. And I'm going to pretend that you're a pizza cut up into 4 slices. And I'm going to shade what I need to shade. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that leaves me with that little chunk right there. 1, 2, 3. Now, if we were to take away the lines and focus on how much is shaded, there's more shaded over here than there. So again, just kind of squint your eyes a little bit and notice that what we see is we have this chunk right here shaded, but these 3 represent a larger part of the whole. So if someone were like, you can have this much pizza or you can have that much pizza, have as much as you want, you're going to get the one with more. So 5 over 8 is actually less than 3 over 4. Okay? So that's all we're doing today. We're just going to compare, look at numerators, denominators, and if all else fails, draw a picture. Okay? Now I have 1 over 6 versus 1 over 2. Same numerator. So if the numerators are the same, you're going to look at the denominators. And the smaller the denominator, the larger the fraction actually is. So since 2 is smaller than 6, that means this fraction is going to be smaller than, is less than 1/2. And again, if you don't believe me, draw a pizza with 6 slices, draw a pizza with 2 slices, color one of each. You're going to get more pizza with that guy right there. Ooh, with this one, I don't have a numerator that's the same or a denominator that's the same, so we try to draw a picture, and this is not going to be pretty at all. Not one bit. Okay, so you're 1/3, that's not too bad. Okay, you're 1/9, so I'll do that and try to draw. I'm gonna try to draw that. That's okay. That's okay. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Let's shade 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's shade 2 of these, and it's not even close. And you look at the overall amount that's shaded, and you're thinking, like, if this was pizza, which one would I want most of? Well, that is a whole lot more than that. Okay, so 4/9 is less than 2/3. All right, here we have the denominators are the same. So when the denominators are the same, you're going to compare the numerators like you normally would, as if it was a regular old number. Okay, 3 is bigger than 2, so 2 is less than 3. So 2/5 is less than 3/5. Easy peasy. 3/7, 2/9, numerators are not the same, denominators are not the same. We're just going to have to try to draw this out. So, picture, how am I going to make that 7? Wow, okay, so maybe 1, 2, that's awful, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not bad. I just don't like that I made that number or that line right there crooked. So let's get rid of that line. There we are. I'll take that. And then what I did here is I split it up into 3 first. And did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's shade things. Let's shade things. 1, 2, 3 sevenths versus 1, 2 ninths. That has a lot more green in it than that does, which means 3/7 is greater than 2/9. Ooh. Numerators are the same. So if the numerators are the same, the smaller the denominator, the larger the fraction. 5 is smaller than 9, so 3/5 is bigger than 3/7. Same denominators are the same, so regular rules apply. 1 is smaller than 3, so 1/4 is smaller than 3/4. Finally, 2 easy ones. Now you try, I believe, 4 of them. Okay. Go to the next 4, pause the screen. When you're ready, come back. We'll go over them. Go. Welcome back. 4/8 versus 1/2. All right, numerators are not the same, denominators are not the same. So anything over 8, I immediately go to pizza. So let's split you up into 8 equal parts. Let's shade 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Let's cut you up. I didn't mean to make it a thick one, but that's all right. Let's cut you up into 2, and let's shade you. Didn't I just do a lesson on simplifying fractions? I think I did. And then didn't I teach you that if you realize that the numerator and the denominator can be divided by the same number, you could do that. And so that gives you actually 1/2. That's the same as a half. And last time I checked, a half is equal to a half. We had our first equal. Look at that. So 4/8 is equal to 1/2. How about 4/9 versus 7/9? Well, denominators are the same, which means what you're going to want to do is compare the numerators exactly the way they are. 4 is less than 7, which means 4/9 is less than 7/9. Okay? 2 more. Here, the numerators are the same. So if the numerators are the same, then you compare the denominators. The smaller the denominator, the larger the fraction actually is. So 3/4 is actually bigger than or greater than 3/8. Okay? Picture drawing time. And this one's going to be really, really, really close. So it's very important that you draw a very accurate picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do a circle. I'm going to do a rectangle. And I'll let this rectangle be 7/10. And then I'm going to draw the same size rectangle and make you 3/4. Now the 3/4 is easy to draw up. You just cut it out into 4 equal parts. Okay? I'm going to cut into tenths, so okay. So 7/10 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3/4 is going to be 1, 2, 3. Now it's very close. But which one do I color more purple of? U. So 3/4 is actually the larger fraction by this much. By about that much. So 7 out of 10 is smaller than 3 out of 4. My favorite sodas. Let me move my face. There it is. I always get this backwards because everything's backwards on my screen. Dr. Mountain Crush Soda is 3/8 sugar. Okay? 3/8 is the Dr. Mountain Crush. An undiet Coca Baja Up soda is 1/2 sugar. Which soda contains more sugar? All right, well, I've got 3/8 compared to 1/8, so 3/8 makes me think pizza. So I will cut you up into slices of pizza. And then 1/2 is easy to draw out. Okay? So let's shade, shade, shade. 1, 2, 3 versus 1 out of 2. And when I look at that, this has more orange shaded than that one does. So 3/8 is less than 1/2. So which one contains more sugar? The 1/2 does, because 3/8 is less than that. So that would be my favorite soda, Undiet Cocoa Baja Up. No, I'm sorry. Undiet Coca Baja Up. I shaded myself. All this shading, and I just shaded myself. All right. Well, that's fun. Just move my face back. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you loved the videos. Still more fractions. We still have to add fractions, subtract fractions, multiply, divide, mix them. All types of fractions are coming right up, so don't go away. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.